Welcome dear students to this video subject session of maths, where today we are going to discuss on the workbook page number 30. So dear students, what is the question given is that 13 number tick in the table on the basis of the measure of angles given below. Dear students, now here what we have to do, in against the angle, three columns are given like right angle, less than a right angle and more than a right angle. The first column is given for the measurement of the angle. So students, you have to check it out that this angle is a right angle or a less than right angle or more than a right angle. So students, you need to first know that a right angle measures exactly 90 degree. The less than 90 degree, it means it is an acute angle and it will always measure between 0 degree to 89 degree. And more than a right angle means 91 to 180 degree should be the measurement, and it's known as an obtuse angle. This is obtuse angle and this is acute angle. So dear students, without any kind of the doubt, the 30 degree should be a less than a right angle. It means I will tick at here. I will do a tick mark here. The 74 degree always should be less than a 90 degree. It means it is also the less than a right angle. The 95 degree, it is more than a right angle. So I will tick down in this column, that is more than a right angle. The 120 degree, of course, it is more than a right angle. I will tick it down in this column. The 90 degree, the last column, the 90 degree is exactly a right angle. I will tick it down here. Students, from 6 to 10, you will do it in the homework, as you know that. Now question number 14 says, write how many degrees should be added to the angles given below to make a right angle. Now students, what we need to do here, we have been given some degrees, and we have here we have to add in the blanks some degrees to make it a 90 degree. We know that right angle is 90 degree. So first is 35 degree. Now students, what should I add to make it a 90 degree? So for this students, you have to subtract this. You have to subtract this 35 degree from 90 degree. It means when I'm doing it here, so you can clearly see students, when 90 degree and from that we are subtracting 35 degree, you will get 55 degree. It means when 55 degrees added, 35 plus 55 becomes my 90 degree. Students, don't forget to do this symbol of degree because we are dealing in the angles, and angles always be measured in degrees. The next is 20 degree. So now 70 degree, when I'll add in this all become 90 degree. 60 degrees there. So how to find out that what to add? So better subtract 60 degree from 90 degree. You'll get 30 degree. It means 30 degree should be the answer. And now 60 degree plus 30 degree should be 90 degree. It's very easy, students. All the questions which are given here, you have to do a simple thing. You can subtract all this from 90 degree, and whatever the answer you are getting should be the answer. You will fill it out in this area. The question 15 says, do as directed in the following figure. Now here one figure is given, students, like this. The figure is given. In that you have to indicate some of the angles. Indicate the right angle. As I told you, students, right angle is this. It means these are the two right angles. This is 1, this is 2. 1 and 2. These two are the right angles. Indicate the angle less than a right angle. The angle which is less than a right angle, when I'll take the protractor and measure, this will be my 70 degree angle, and this is less than a right angle. It means it is an acute angle. The third situation is indicate the angle more than a right angle. So the angle which is more than a right angle is an obtuse angle. So this measures 110 degree, and 110 degrees obtuse angle. So this will be my the answer. The next is match the following, students. In the section A, you have been given some figures. Section B shows the situation what they are. Section A in this is the right angle 90 degree. It will be matched with the B. I will write down here B as the answer. The next one measures 135 degree. It is more than a right angle. I'll match it down with here. and I will write it down C in the second column. The third one is measures 35 degree. 35 degree is matched with less than a right angle. It is an acute angle. I'll write down A in this. So students, today's session we have done 4 such questions which are very easy at a part of syllabus. Make sure you will do the homework. These remaining sums also you have to do it in the homework. And for our next video session, thank you. Have a nice day to all.